go guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic back again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a Mercedes 2010, 11 kind of thing, Mercedes C-Class that is. And we're going to go ahead and replace the front suspension arm rear. Okay, it's got two suspension arms on the front, on either side. It's the rear one that we're going to replace. Not the hardest job in the world, dead easy to be honest. Yeah, let's go ahead, let's do it. And the car up on the ramp as you can see there. Right, we're going to go underneath. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. We're going to go underneath here. And this is the arm we're going to replace. We've already replaced that one in the past. Okay, so that's done. You don't need to look into that. Check my video out. I think I've done that one as well. Give me a like and thumbs up on that one. What we're going to do is we're going to replace this one. So first things first, we're going to take this cover off. 8mm. It goes all the way around. This one, all the way around. We're going to take this massive cover off. If you're doing it on the floor, that's the hard bit. You're going to struggle to take that off, so make sure you do it on the ramp. It makes your life easier. 8mm screws or bolts, whatever they are, take them off. Let's go. Right then, right, we've took the wheel off. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take either way, but I would say this one will be easy to take off first. Doesn't really matter. I think either take this one off or this side off, whichever side you want, but I'm going to take off this side first. Okay, so this side is a 21, maybe 22. On this, I'll be straight up honest with you guys, this side is 22, the nut, the ball joint nut that is. And on this side, I'm doing both sides obviously, it's the same procedure on both sides. This side was a 21, obviously different make, wishbone, whoever's fitted it in the past. So basically 22 on mine, could be a 21 as well. So we're going to take that nut off. We're going to go ahead and take this nut and bolt off here. Right, so to take this nut and bolt off, 21 spanner on one side. And you need a Torx E20, one of them, on this side. Okay, so I've already cracked everything. Let's go ahead, let's take them off. Like I mentioned, you can take this side off first or this side off, whichever side you want. But I recommend you take this side off first. Then that way it's not all over, it's not going all over the place. If you take that off, then when you come to take the wishbone off, the ball joint off, sorry, it's going to be moving and everything. So I would take this off first, then take that off. Let's go. Okay, as you can see there, the suspension arm, that is totally off from this side. It's still on there, it's still stuck on the thread basically on the ball joint. So, I mean, if you want to go all professional and get the ball joint split and go that way and take it off that way, you can do. What I normally do is I just give it a hit there with the hammer and it should just come straight off. If it doesn't, you can get a ball joint splitter in there. You know, there's fancy ones, there's the ones with like a claw, goes in like that. You can use that, but no need. You'll see it, few hits on that, that'll come off. So like I mentioned, few hits on there, that should come off. There we go, a little bit more tighter than what I expected. But yeah, that's off. Let's get the new one on. Let's go. I've got the new one here, as you can see, in reverse order. Basically, put that side on there, get the nut on there. So that can't fall out from there, and then all we do is just lift that up there, into there, get the bolt through there. Happy days, job done. Let's tighten up, let's go. Okay, the arm is on, the suspension arm is on, but all tightened up and everything. I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom cover on, put the wheel back on, finish the job off. That's it, let's go. Well, that is it guys, that's how we replace the rear suspension arm, front rear suspension arm. So basically the rear of the front. on a Mercedes C-Class 2010, 11, 12, the W204. Hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.